March marks the beginning of autumn here in Adelaide, Australia, and it's a beautiful time of changing seasons in our garden. As the weather started to cool, we enjoyed some lovely harvests, planted a few crops for the months ahead, and even learned a valuable gardening lesson along the way. Namaskaram! I'm Srideep, and welcome back to Srideep's Garden Story. Let's take a look at what we got up to in the garden this March. We started the month by harvesting fresh jujubes. There is nothing quite like picking sweet, crunchy fruit straight from the tree. It's always one of the highlights of the season. Now, jujube is a fruit tree native to Asia, and this one was a lovely gift from one of my friends. I'm growing it in a pot, and it's been rewarding to see it produce such a nice harvest. Next, it was time to plant garlic in our garden. This year, I planted two different varieties, Australian purple garlic and Australian white garlic. It will be interesting to see which one performs better over the coming months. Now, I also planted a unique spice. Yes, saffron for the very first time. I only planted 3 corms, but I've always wanted to grow this amazing spice at home. Fingers crossed they'll grow well. Now, for the potatoes, if you've been following the channel, you will know that I planted these potatoes last year. As the plants started dying back, it was finally time to harvest them. Unfortunately, the harvest wasn't as successful as I'd hoped. I tried the hilling method this time, but the yield was very small. Now, looking back though, I think planting them during summer may have been the biggest reason why they didn't perform well. Now, that's the great thing about gardening, right? Every season teaches you something new, and I'll definitely try a different approach next time. To finish though on a happier note, our ash gods did really well. It's always rewarding to harvest healthy homegrown vegetables after months of caring for the plants. Don't you agree? March was actually a much busier month than I managed to capture on the camera. But I'm hoping to share even more of our garden with you in the coming months. Even though every crop doesn't turn out perfectly, that's all part of the gardening journey. Some plants surprise you, some teach you valuable lessons, and every season helps you become a better gardener. Now, if you have enjoyed this March garden update, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please share it with your friends and family who enjoy gardening. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, please keep growing what matters.